Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Gemini. This is mid-month reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your reading, mid-month reading Gemini. So let's see your person feelings towards you this side and your feelings this side. Gemini, your person feelings towards you. Okay. And your feelings towards your person. Okay, later we see mutual feelings between both of you. So your feelings towards and your person feelings towards you. Let's see first. 8 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 6 of Swords and the World. And your feelings, Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, 2 of Swords and Ace of Swords. Definitely there is separation between both of you. Lot of, because 8 of Cups and 5 of Cups, your person feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. Yeah, I think they are the I think they are walked away in past. For that they're feeling very sad. Some cycles are going to be ended between both of you. This could be long distance relationship also. Definitely they're leaving this relationship in past, but they're feeling very sad without you. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, Gemini, but from your side you are at some crossroads, and Ace of Swords, definitely some communication you want to communicate your person and you want to offer this long-term commitment, but there is some mind games and manipulation. I think you feeling that your person playing some mind games and manipulation. 7 of Swords is here, but you want to offer this long-term commitment to you, and Ace of Swords, new beginning, but your person walked away. Even they did wrong, I am getting. So let's see some mutual energy between both of you. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. One person investing more than the other person in this connection. Okay. 9 of Wands. Yeah, I think your person acting like guarded, like see this card. They don't want to put any effect. I think only one person put in this effect is you. That's the issue. So let's see from your side more, Gemini. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles, but you stand by your power. You are emotionally independent. You are now single, I think, because your person is walked away. From your person's side, Knight of Swords, but they want to come back. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are working on yourself, Gemini. Definitely 8 of to 9. Definitely you are working on yourself and you want to independent emotionally, financially. Your person, 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. They want to back again in your life. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles. You both could be colleagues also. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, because lot of earth energy, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. All signs are here except water sign also, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So mutual, yeah, sharing. There is no equal sharing between both of you. Yeah, under the deck, 6 of Pentacles. One person is giving, Queen of Pentacles, but one person is not. There is no equal give and take in this connection. Final card for the reading. Yeah, 5 of Pentacles is here. Yeah, separation. Lot of you are in separation. Definitely your person want to come back in your life again. They want to work on this relationship, but now you are independent emotionally, financially. You are working on yourself. Even though if you want this relationship, right now you are doing your work on yourself right now, but your person want to come again in your life. So this is up to you, Gemini. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.